No, I do it as two different. All right, start back again. All right, so we've got f of. I'm sorry, f prime of 1.7324, and that's going to be 2 times 1.7324. So what will that derivative be? 4648. All right. So that's my new slope. So I'm going to have 3.4648 times x minus 1.7324 equals I hope so. I'm in trouble if it's not. What? Before this step, it was that. It's dry. Oh, well, that was. I thought the. All right. I was kind of using the fatter marker because I thought they would show up better. But is this not working well?
Why do you have to go so many places? Oh, done the race, yay.
Because that's how we know when we're right on it.
We're right on it?
We're right on it.
Because aren't we just doing the same thing?
Yeah, we just
Well, yeah, because you're trying to get closer and closer.
Yeah, because when I get this answer, it's going to be just a little bit closer than...
The last.
1.7324 is a closer answer than 1.7 is.
Okay.
And now I'm about to get an answer that's even closer to 1.73.
So are we trying to get to 0? Like, is that our goal?
All right, we're trying to get
Your Y value.
y value to be 0.
Okay.
But we're not ever going to quite get there.
Uh-huh.
But we're going to want to be within this range of it.
Okay.
You're basically
That's all
going
I want
around
to get.
different X values to get the
Wait,
Y value closer.
We're going to keep doing it until we get high.
When I said this range, I'm talking about within this range of, my next answer needs to be within that distance of this point here.
Like, wouldn't that be a negative 0.0012?
No, Ashton said he said.
I don't know. Someone put that in the calculator and told me that.
It would be 0 minus.
What do you mean?
Since your last answer wasn't.
Oh, this would be negative. Thank you. Yes, that would be negative there. Well, because this is positive here, so it would be y minus that.
The other time was because you subtracted and make it.
Yeah. All right, so I got 3.46848 times x and then this is minus whatever 3.4648. Say what?
6.0024.
Okay, 6.0. Okay. Give me that number one more time. 6.24. All right. And when I add those together, I get, no, that I'm actually going to be subtracting, so I get 6.0012. And I want to divide that by 3.4648.
Excuse me.
Just 1 second. All right, and I get this time 1.7320. So I'm within that range. Those two, the last two answers I got were this close to each other. So I can let this be my approximate 0.
That's nice.
because these two answers, we can't stop, we gotta go forever. These two answers, if I subtract that, I get a number. If I get the absolute value, I get an absolute value that's less than that. All right. Yes?
Okay. We were at 3.46488. He just go on, scoot over some. Yeah. How did you get from you see where you have the last parentheses?
Right here.
Yes.
Okay?
Where did that go? Like you multiplied the 3.46 times the x. Did you multiply times the negative 1.2?
Yeah, and then I carried it over to this side.
Oh, okay. Okay, I see.
You good?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay. Any other questions here?
That was a good question.
Oh, that's beautiful. That goes in the Question Hall of Fame.
All right.
All right. Now, let's go back to the calculator real quick and just check it. All right, so go, if you have that graph, y equals x squared minus 3, we want to calculate the 0, so 2, and I'm going to get in really close to that. So I scroll over here and I hit this, and then I scroll over. Okay. Open your eyes. I'm going to push this, and I'm going to push. And I get, this is my answer. Can y'all see that? No, you can't. Wow.
Maybe if you stand up.
If I stand up, what am I doing?
I have one of those little graphy things in my box.
Ms. Ardell.
Anyway, I'll read you the number. It's 1.73205. So that's
Pretty good. Yeah, close.
ain't no doubt.